People pleasing is like the breeze and the wind. Sometimes it could come through mild urges, and sometimes it could be so violent in a way that threatens. You feel like your existence and survival depends on that direction the flow of society is trying to pressure you in. Each time you yield to that pressure, you lose balance. You turn to a groping soul who has no direction. A bland soul. A bland soul who has no identity to identify with. No solid identity to identify with. To maintain your balance in life, you need to have a personal direction that is perfect and right, so that you will no longer be tossed to and fro by circumstances and misleading voices.